Pew, pew, pew. There you go. Get in my groove and things of that nature. Ooh, haha! I was really, really trying to keep it PG. I was really, really trying to keep it PG. Day 3 of 7. You know what I mean? If you guys wanted to extend, let us know. But this is day 3 of 7. And we're at a skate park. Y'all can't even see the skate park. But we at a skate park. We got a skateboard. We're gonna show you everything, the setup and all of that shit, man. Let's get to it. Yep, we're back again, you guys. You already know what the fuck going on. You guys already know what's going on. Oh, dropping shit is crazy, man. Dropping shit is crazy. I dropped my 50 milliamp battery. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's what you're talking about? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Insanity, yeah. Yeah, if y'all did not see the last video, go check out yesterday's shit, because that shit was hard as hell. Today we got the lovely.
Pretty little K.
You guys are in the vibes. How's the series been going so far?
It's fun. It's actually really fun. It's creative. So like we have to make everything up like last minute.
Literally,
and
we're only 2 days in. We're only 2 days. This is the third day.
I'm more positive and happy doing this.
Exactly. So I feel like this is something that we got to, you know what I'm saying? We're going to start a series. Let me know if you guys like this, because we will keep it coming. We will like literally exploit our brains and try to, we'll make it happen, all right? We'll come up with something every day if you guys want. You know what I'm saying? But just like, yeah, because it's challenging. Because like, I don't know what the hell we're doing for the next 4 days.
Nope.
Like, I think I might have an idea for tomorrow, but I was thinking like, damn, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I was like, I have no idea. But it's like, you know, what I was thinking was trying to get like a mechanic to let us like get into their shop or something. You know what I'm saying? Doing one like that, doing like a shoot at a gas station, like at the gas pump.
I like that one.
The gas pump inside.
The snacks and
shit like that. I feel like that would be cool.
I want that one.
Yeah, I was just trying to think like low-key trying to think out of the box, but like in the box at the same exact time. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like on some different shit. Like maybe we could even like go to the mall and you're like shopping. But like I don't bring no flash or nothing. Like we snuck into a mall to do a photo shoot. Like some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? And like we're there and like you're shopping or some shit like that. And like I just talked to like the Journeys worker and like asked them if you could like put some shoes in a box just to take pictures with it. And they'll be like, oh, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like you shit like that. Like so you're just looking like you just go shopping in the store. You know what I'm saying? Like real cool. Like, oh, we'll tag you Instagram. Like, you know what I'm saying? Shit like that. A lot of the time it sounds crazy, but when I show somebody my Instagram, especially like a company, they'll be like, okay. Like if I just ask them as a regular person, they'll be like, oh, but if I come showing them like, oh, this type of content that I make, this is how many followers that I have, I will tag you guys if you let me. Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Bruh, they'd be immediately like, oh, sure, we don't care, let's do it. But about to go ahead and get straight to it, you guys. I love you guys. I want to say thank you again for staying tuned with this series. This is day 3 of 7. You know what I mean? If you guys wanted to extend, let us know. But this is day 3 of 7. And we're at a skate park. Y'all can't even see the skate park, but we at a skate park. We got a skateboard. We're gonna show you everything, the setup and all of that shit, man. Let's get it. I don't know if you guys see it yet, but over there, that is the skate park that we're going to. And yeah. I'm trying to think about like everything out of the box. Like what can we do? Like, oh bro, a fucking soccer shoot. I go buy a soccer ball or something. You know what I mean? Like, bro, just like we gotta like what thinking outside of the box, being real creative with it, you know what I'm saying? So really all of this is really just to like, you know, inspire you guys to get out and create. Get off Instagram, stop scrolling, find something to create, you know what I'm saying? Find that future that you want, that path that you feel that you know what I'm saying, you deserve, and go get out and create, man. Go outside. It's the summer, you know what I'm saying? The summertime coming up upon us. Get outside and create, man. Get off your phone, stop scrolling and fucking comparing yourself to the next person and what they're doing, because you're not them, okay? Get outside and create, bro. Create something. Yeah, get outside and create. Y'all see us, we out here creating, man. I don't know if y'all can see us good because we against the sun and shit, but get outside and create, all right? This is the skate park that we're gonna be using today. And yeah, as you guys can see, I'm vlogging on my phone, so you guys have no excuses. I got an expensive camera, but I'm still not using it. Why? Because I like my phone better. You can have expensive gear and still not use it. You don't gotta feel obligated or forced to use it. And we got this bit all to ourselves today. Yeah. Tuesday is skate day, so today's Wednesday, so it's a good time to come. But yeah, nice little spot, man. I'm gonna be able to play with this a lot. Oh, you seen the beach? Did you see? I added boulders into in the grass. I mean, in the beach ones.
That was cool.
Yeah, I had added them rocks and shit. I was like, Kay's gonna love this. I added them damn rocks. I was like, oh yeah. This is different. But if you guys see the other one, it was really cool. I had added rocks and stuff. So the sun is shooting that way. So what I'm thinking about utilizing, I'm gonna put my stuff over here, because I brought a tripod today because I'm thinking about cloning you, like cloning you, like within the edit this time, like having multiple of you. I thought that would be cool. So like I was thinking like maybe like this one, like one of you like sit like the camera's gonna be just like right here, it'll be like one of you like sitting on the edge right here, you know what I'm saying? One of you like standing up there with the skateboard in your hand, and then one of you like down here at the bottom, just like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And it'd be like all three of you in the same shot.
That's cool.
I thought that would be hard, so I think that's what we're gonna do. So we might start off there, you guys. I'm about to set you guys up so you guys can see. I'm gonna try to shoot this way a lot because this way you can't really see a lot as shadows. So as the sun starts to like shift maybe, but right here, I think this is gonna be a good one that we're gonna have to use because we're trying to use the sun. And I also have like my flash and stuff too in there, you guys. So if really need be, I could use my flash. I mean, I'm probably still gonna end up using it anyways because I brought it. So let's see. I told myself, I was like, man, I'm gonna go all out for this one right here. I was like, I'm gonna have the energy. I was like, I'm gonna scream how I need to scream on this video. Oh no, ain't no shade out this bitch.
Lord.
I mean, there's shade right here if you wanna like, or I mean, you wanna sit right here, you could chill. You could chill right there in this little corner, yeah. Look at this little corner spot that Kay found. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? A little chill, little corner spot. Yeah, yeah. While I set up. But yeah, you guys, so about to go ahead and get started. I have my Godox 8200 Pro, and then I have my ADB2. Y'all know I always shoot in with the ADB2 because I can't afford the, I mean, I could afford it, but I can't afford it. Like, my version of affording something is if you can buy it twice or buy it 3 times. If you can't buy it 3 times, don't buy it. You can't afford it. If you could buy it only 1 time, then don't buy it because you can't afford it. But if you could buy it 3 times, then you can afford it. But me, I cannot buy that 3 times, so I'm not gonna buy it. So literally, I got my ADB2 right here. I'm gonna probably use this one. I was using this one yesterday. I mean Monday at the beach, and it was flashing off very nicely. So I loved that. So I'm probably gonna try that again today. I got my tripod here. I got my Joyo can. We're sponsored by them. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And yeah, so the link to this is also in the bio, in my bio, and also in my description down below on the YouTube video. But yeah, so we're gonna make some magic today. I'm gonna use my tripod to try to, like, you know, clone her and stuff. When cloning, you need a tripod because your camera has to be stable, so that when you're taking a picture of each of those images and you merge them together, all you have to do is set them on top of each other, and you can just erase each person. So that would be kind of cool. We got some products today also that we have to review. I'm gonna make a video for these as well. We have 3 different products, like for our prototype products that we're trying to like release. We're trying to release a line of camera straps. So we're gonna try to see how we can, like, you know, formulate that into the shoot today as well. And yeah, we're shooting around, man. We're gonna get straight to it. We're gonna take a little gulp of water because we gotta be hydrated. And we're gonna goddamn get straight to it. At the skateboard, as you guys can see. And I'm got my Sony a7S III in the bag right now that we're about to unbox. Not unbox, but unbag. Sony a7S III. I got my trigger, my Sony Pro X in here. I think this thing's charged up good. Yeah, I think so. It's on 1 bar, but it's fine. I got extra batteries in here. If it dies, I could switch the battery out real quick. All right, so we got this we're gonna be using. I got my neck mount that I could use too, but sometimes it doesn't really come in as handy as I think so sometimes. So I'm probably gonna just use this one. I could do a wide angle lens also because we're at a what's the name, so if I could try that, but maybe not. I'm probably gonna use my regular Sigma. And yeah, always wanna wipe off your lens, bro, when you're using it. So literally take my lens wipe, where's it at? Yep, and then just wipe off your lens always, because you never know what kind of dust and stuff is on your lens. You always wanna wipe off your lens. And yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and set up. This is the space that we're using, you guys. And I'm gonna just probably try to light this generally because she's gonna be in each spot of it. So it probably would be smart to not use flash with this one, but I'm probably gonna just light it directly in the middle. So like I'm gonna put this right here and stretch this out, have it down, turn both of these on, and just try to light it generally, like generally in the middle so it could flash off good, like that. Yeah, this shadow's gonna piss me off though. But I think this will be good because she could sit right here on this side. I'm about to fall and shit. She can sit right here on this side. She can sit right there. Probably one of her up here, like she's about to go down. Like she's like this or something like this. That would be cute too. Her sitting at the bottom. Yeah, we're about to have some fun. We're gonna have some fun. All right, the next thing for me to set up, you guys, is the, what's it called? If I had, I need to invest in lav mics so I can start micing you up like a smaller one, because this is big. All right, so I'm gonna put my tripod right here, you guys. So literally, like, my idea is I have to keep my tripod stationary, and I have the light right here, and I may or may not use it. I'm about to try to find out right now if I'm actually gonna use it or not. But I'm gonna really have to keep my camera stationary in one spot and just catch the same frames over and over again, but have her move multiple times. So it's like, I could probably do one of two things. I may have her to where it's like, first motion is this picture, the second motion is like what she would have done second, and the third motion is what she would have done third, like some shit like that. Like maybe she's like down, about to get up, then the other one is her up there, and then the third one is her like on the other side. Like, I don't know, like you know what I'm saying? Like chronological order, what would she do first? Oh, she would climb. Second, she would stand. Third, she would pick up the board. Like maybe some shit like that. Make faded, I don't know. But we're about to have some fun with it. I'm gonna try to have some fun. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we're trying to do. And if it comes out good, let me know. So yeah.
Drop a 50 bag for the 9 at the spot. I was really trying to keep it PG. I was really trying to keep it PG. Drop a 50 bag in the 9 at the spot.
I was really trying to keep it PG. These might be squares. I usually edit the photos in like for vertical, you guys, because it fits the Instagram. So Instagram's 2 ratios is a 4:5 or a 1:1. So I might edit these as a 1:1, like a square, because like then I could shoot side vertical and have it like that, and then you could add more photos. I'm trying to think, because I could probably do vertical, but how cloning vertical is gonna be hard. Like doing the shot vertically and then cloning that is gonna be kind of hard. Let's see. Not yet. I'm about to set this up first so that way you don't have to get up too many times. Really trying to keep it PG. I gotta make sure. So make sure that the focus is all the way up, you guys, as much as it can be. So I got my focus as high as it can be. Make sure that your thing is leveled for each frame that she's gonna be in. Yep. So I'm trying to make sure that it's leveled, right? Yep. There we go. I'm making sure that my lighting is good. Yeah, making sure that it's leveled. Make sure there's not enough shadows. So my focus right now, you guys, is at f8, and 400 is my shutter, and then my ISO is at 100. I might go up to 125 just for that little bit extra light. Probably what I'm gonna do, and I'm doing that simply because I have my focus mode. I'm about to change that. I have it center focus right now, but I'm about to change it to wide focus. So now it's on wide focus. So wherever she's at in the frame, it will focus on her. So first thing you want to do when you're doing a shot like this is get a blank slate. So you don't want to move your camera. You want to get a shot before the model enters the shot. You want to get a shot of that first, so that this is going to be your blank slate. So for example, I'm about to show you guys how I get a blank slate. I'm literally going to just take a picture of how it is right now currently. Literally just boom, like this by itself. Just take a few. That's my blank slate. But now when we move the model into here, we can put this blank slate, and now all we're doing is applying the model to that blank slate, if that makes sense. You have a blank slate with no model, no subject. Then you have the model go into the subject. That blank slate does not move. The only thing moving is the model. So now when you're adding the model in, you have that one blank slate photo. All you have to do is add the model into that blank slate. Boom, you're good. So let's do it. Come on, okay? Yeah. I was really trying to keep it PG. All right, so the first one we're gonna do is literally like, so the first thing I'm gonna have you doing is sitting right here. I'm probably gonna have to help you get up.
I got that.
All right, go crazy. Let's see this shit, y'all. Y'all see this? Oh my God, let me make sure I'm getting this on record. Go ahead. Oh, Fast and Furious, we love it. We love it. All right, literally, so I'm gonna literally have you like sitting right here. Remember these too, because we're gonna do it for a reel as well. Literally right here, and then can you get the board? This shit hot as hell, so be aware. But you got thicker pants on than me. So I'm thinking like, maybe like this, like some shit like this, right? So literally this is the first pose. Oh, scoot over a little bit more, because your other people gotta be able to make it. There's multiple U's. So they all gotta like technically fit. There we go. Literally like that, literally like that, literally like that. There we go, yep. There we go, yep. Hold it. Hold it. One more. Bet. Now the second one that I want you to do is come over here. Let me see. Second one I want you to do is you're gonna be like, don't have it on the actual edge like how it's supposed to be. Just have it kind of like right here. And you're gonna be like, you're literally gonna just be like this, like you're staring it down. All right. So here you go. Don't put it over. Leave it right there because you'll fall if you put it over on the side. Bet. All right. So she got the second pose in there right now. There we go. Hold it. Yep. Move your arms around a little bit, like freestyle with your up top. Yeah. There you go. Yep. Now I want the one down here. Come on down here. And I'm probably gonna have you sit. Hold on, wait. Should I do another one of you up there? There's one right there. Boom. Should I do one in the middle? Should I do? Oh, no. You already was sitting right there. So what if this person's just like this in the middle? Yeah. Yeah, literally like that. Hold 3, 2, 1. Hold 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Bet. Now the last one, you're gonna be down here. So you're gonna be like, probably like this. Probably like this right here. Left leg forward more than the right leg. Yeah, literally like that. Yeah, literally like that. I got you. There you go. Bet. That should be enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 people. Bet. Yeah. So that's how we got the clone, you guys. You're gonna see it pop up on the screen when it's done being edited. Yeah. Now we're about to go ahead and go to the next little poses. We're gonna do regular shots without the tripod now. So I can really like get in my groove and things of that nature. Yeah, it's you, the board, and the half pipe. That's a half pipe. So it's you, the board, and the half pipe. There you go. Yep, come on. Yep, hold, 3, 2, 1. There you go, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, yep. 3, 2, 1. Look up and off that way, yep. There we go. One more. There we go, yep. Yeah. I wish the damn half pipe looked cleaner. Rusty ass. There we go. Oh, I'm gonna come on this side. Yeah, hold. There we go, look up, yep. There we go, yeah, bet. Now I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna have you, how much you sitting in the middle? I'm gonna hold it, yeah, go ahead. There ain't no grip on that bit. Be careful. Yep, ain't no grip. Gotta run. I'm like, she walking up slow, ain't no way. Pew. There you go. You can hold it on the side, yeah. Like that? There you go, yeah, like that. I was really trying to keep it PG. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go, yep. There we go, yep. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. I'm gonna do one more from this side. 3, 2, 1. Oh, hot as fuck. There we go, yep. Bet. Now let's do you standing up there. Right there where you're at in the middle. We're at a skate park, you gotta use the board. Yep. Not auto, well, right now, at least, for this part, for this portion. Oh, like behind the head, go ahead. There you go. Nah, you look good. You look cool, like a cool cat. Like, yeah. Like, yeah, I'm feeling it. Aww. Hold. You like somebody owe you some street cred. Like you be out here for real. I ain't gonna lie, you'd fool me. Look up and off that way. There we go, yep. If I didn't know you for real, I'd think you skated. One more. Always trying to add dynamics, you guys. Woo, my booty sweating. All right, let's take a break. All right, you guys, we're about to take a 5-minute break, 5-minute relapse, 5-minute breather, and I'm gonna do some reels within that time. I'll see you guys in a minute. It's easy to just do that, but it's
we would do like a backflip or something.
Yeah. You want to do it, you stop midway. Yeah, I feel like that's how you hurt yourself. If you give up midway. All right, I'm about to try this. See how this looks. I like this little seat that you got going on. Eye contact. There you go. Yep. There you go. Yep. There you go. Yep. Hold. All right, you guys, man. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you guys once again. Stay tuned for tomorrow's episode. We do not know what we're going to be doing tomorrow. We don't know where we're going to be at. We might go to that swamp. We might do something different. We might be at a mechanic's place. We might be at some abandoned house. We don't know. Okay, guys. So
we'll know, okay?
We don't know yet. We'll find out tonight, and then you guys will know tomorrow. Oh, he's gone. But yeah, we're out. I love you guys, and I'm saying I appreciate you guys for tapping in once again and showing in. I'm gonna give me a frappe, make myself feel a little better, do a little edit this video, get this batched out, ready for next Wednesday. And yeah. I love you guys. Kay, what you want to say?
What I want to say?
Yeah.
Taxi.
And we're out. Come on, play games. I'm saying though, it don't look that bad. I feel like you gotta just like, you gotta stomp. You can't just go like you gotta go backwards. You gotta go like, you gotta stomp the ground. What?
I have a bad outcome right now. Please don't do that. They're right, so please don't do it.
Why would they put this here? Like next to this.
Because they're professional.
I can't go nowhere.
Nope.
Like there's no like. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Why y'all looking at me?
I'm just waiting for you to do it.
I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Rich, man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that?